everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Dare's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this tasty good meat lie soup. Yes, in Ghana we call it aponchin krakra. That's what we are going to do today. So in my pot, I have my meat and I season it with some salt. We are going to brown the meat to give that soup extra flavor. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. But whilst our meat is on fire, we are going to do our ginger blend for our soup. In my blender, I have some fresh rosemary, I have some scotch bonnet, some garlic, some ginger, and some onions. I'm going to add a bit of water to make it easy to blend. Our meat has been cooking and look at that brown color on our meat. This is what we are looking for in this recipe because it gives that soup extra flavor. And please don't forget to like my videos and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The Dare's Delight is all about food and thank you for the support. I added my ginger mix and I'm adding some tomato paste to it to make our meat taste very nice. You can choose not to add tomato paste if you don't like it, but this goat meat lie soup, you want it very tasty and delicious, so I'm adding it. And I season it with some Maggi cubes and I added a bit of water to make it easy to mix everything together. We are going to mix everything together to make our meat taste delicious. So I'm going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, our meat has been cooking in that delicious sauce. That's what I'm talking about. This goat meat is going to be very, very nice. And our soup is going to be very delicious. I added some fresh tomatoes, some fresh onions, and some carrots. And I added about 2 scotch bonnets. You can add more pepper if you want pepper. If you can add less pepper if you don't want too much pepper. And our vegetables has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes now. And we are going to take everything out to blend. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press that notification button. If you want me to do any recipes, please don't forget to comment down below. And thank you for the support. And as you can see, our meat has been cooking in that juice that we made with the tomato paste and the ginger blend because we want our meat to fall off the bone. We want it to be tender. So you need to cook it a bit more so the food will be very delicious. This soup, I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe. I tend to add carrot to my soup to give it that extra sweetness to that soup. You can choose to add more carrot if you want because I love carrot in my recipes. Now, as you can see, our meat has been cooking for extra 5 minutes and look at the sauce around it. It's very, very tasty. This was going to make our goat lie soup very delicious. As you can see, our vegetable has been blended and I just poured it in. Going to mix everything together and look at that beautiful color on our veg. And please, you can let your veg cool before you blend it, and you can also blend it if you want it fast and furious. I'm telling you, this soup is very quick, tasty, and delicious. I just added a bit of water. I like my soup light. It depends on how thick you want your soup. So you can add more water or less water if you want. So you're going to mix everything together to make sure everything is mixed well. And thank you all for the support with the Dare's Delight. Without you, I'm not there. Thank you all for supporting this channel. And as you can see, I added my garden eggs. I love my garden eggs whole in my soup. Added some scotch bonnet, the green one. It gives that soup extra flavor. We covered it for it to boil. Look at this soup. Ponchikakri bed. It's been boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see, our soup is ready. Look at that extra oil on top of our soup. We nkwan na angwe ni and nkwan no venye. This is what we are talking about. Our good sliced soup, very tasty. And thank you all for supporting my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.